No, soda makes it worse.
I know.
Oh, was it hot? You all like your mom.
Where's the other one at?
What if she starts smoking?
I would laugh, and then I'd put a marshmallow over her head.
Oh. Does it hurt when stuff touches your mouth?
Yeah. Which is one way to find out. Ow.
I'm good. I'm good. I'm very good.
How you feeling? Eat the other pepper thingamabobber jalapeno.
Right now.
Dude, the faces you're making, priceless.
Yeah. I am one white ass Mexican.
You know this is going on my thing, right? I totally got that.
Hey guys, guess what? That video's loaded. Oh, it says loaded on it.
I was going to say something else, but it's
You
recording.
can't see it from here. What are you doing?
She's making her pieces of ham or taco bounce.